We are going to switch to the next presentation on real-time working group by André Rothschild. Please, André.
Hello and welcome to this presentation on the update of the real-time activities. My name is André Hauschild. I'm the chair of the real-time working group. If I did all the time conversions right, this presentation was scheduled in the middle of the night, so I had two options for this. First one was to do it already in my pajamas, yawning all the time, and the second option was to make a recorded presentation. I chose the latter one, and I think it's the better option for all of us. So before we get started, I would also like to acknowledge Lucas Agrotis, who contributed on the advancements in the real-time service. So this is the outline for today's presentation. I'll give an overview of the activities of the real-time working group and also on the real-time service for those who are new to the IGS and don't know that yet. And then in the second part, I will focus on the progress since the last meeting and give an outlook to future work. So the working group charter defines our goals. One of the main goals of the real-time working group is to maintain and expand the real-time network of the IGS and also to monitor and improve the quality of the data that is being streamed, both for observations and broadcasts of human rights. We also provide precise real-time corrections for different errors or parameters like orbits, clocks, biases, and atmospheric delays. And we provided monitor combinations of these correction data streams as an IGS real-time product. That's not all. We also, of course, improve the real-time products and work with the Real-Time Analysis Center coordinator to transition these experimental products into the real-time service of the IGS. We develop and improve open standards for real-time data and products, investigate new streaming technologies, and of course, provide our users access to the streams, both for observations and products through the internet. So if you want to learn more, please visit the new IGS website. There's more information on the real-time working group there. Then I'd like to give an overview about the contributors and our combinations. So we have 11 analysis centers now, and they are located all around the world. You can see that most of them provide multi-GNSS products by now. Some of them also provide ionospheric corrections, which are the latest addition to our products. These individual AC streams are then combined into the IGS combination streams. We have 3 combination centers by now, one at ESOC, one at BKG, and one at UPC. And they are producing the IGS real-time solution stream. Then let's look a bit into the details of these streams. So ESOC produces at the moment a GPS-only stream. Then we have 3 constellation stream with GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo by BKG, an additional one which also includes Baidu. And we have the stream from UPC, which is only contains ionospheric corrections. Okay, so let's continue to look at the progress since the last meeting for the real-time working group. We had 3 video conferences for the working group with each approximately 20 members attending. Over the last year, we have worked extensively on getting the broadcaster guidelines ready for release. We did this in cooperation with the infrastructure committee, and the guidelines are ready now and should appear on the IGS website very soon. We have focused on continuing our new experimental real-time ionospheric combination product that I've already shown in strong cooperation with the ionospheric working group. And we have continued our discussion on new IGS SSR messages. That was done in the IGS SSR format task force. We have created a survey to improve the ionospheric messages in our newly defined format, again in cooperation with the Ionospheric Working Group. And we've received about we've received feedback from about 30 members on that survey. We also have a new analysis center, the Shanghai Astronomical Observatory from China, and a new station contributor from Chile, from the University of Santiago de Chile. Then for the real-time service, there have been some activities to transition the to the IGS SSR formats for all the real-time combination products and almost all analysis centers. The combination performance has also been improved by excluding incompatible solutions from the ESOC combination, as well aligning the antenna phase center reference of the orbits to single frequency antenna phase centers. The BKG combination was extended to include Galileo and Beidou, in addition to GPS and GLONASS, and the monitoring of the A streams was extended to cover Galileo. This is the monitoring of the AC streams and also the BKG combination. Then there was a major upgrade of the real-time service and the real-time working group website done by the real-time working group, Lucas, and the IGS Central Bureau. We have updated all the web pages to the newest information and added also new information. So please visit these links and check out the new content. You will find there, for example, daily updated orbit and clock monitoring plots, which are generated from the comparison reports that are generated at ESOC and plotted at BKG and then updated on the website automatically. You'll find a 1-year history of the RTS combination for GPS only, and also 40-day comparison reports for all ACs, as well as the real-time service solution for GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo. We also have a monitoring of our ionospheric products, as well as the combination, and these are generated by UPC based on reference data from JSON 3. Furthermore, we have a monitoring of the PPP performance that is done by BKG with the BNC tool. All of this on our new website. Next year, we are planning the upcoming IGS workshop and our activities and goals that we want to achieve at that workshop. We would like to continue the extension of the IGS SSR standard that we have released last year. As I said, we want attitude messages there. We'd like to handle phase center offset, phase center variation information in a better way, and we'd like to improve the ionospheric correction messages. Then we have identified this year some vulnerabilities in the IGS caster infrastructure and would like to work on an improved security concept there. We are planning to include Beidou into our monitoring of the AC and the real-time service streams. And finally, we would like to use an official IGS multi-GNSS product for the monitoring as a reference solution. So this concludes the presentation. I would very much appreciate if you direct any questions by email to me, and I will get back to you with an answer as soon as I can. Thank you very much.
Thanks to you, Andre, and thanks to Lucas also, who contributed to the presentation. Just checking if there was any comment or no, I don't see any, but I will do one. It's just again, I'm impressed by all the progress done by your working group and the real-time service. In particular, obviously there is a big step forward, a multi-GNSS real-time service, and having multi-GNSS products is, of course, one of the main objectives of the IGS. I mean, that has been identified into a strategic plan. So thanks for that. Thanks to you and Lucas for all these efforts.